Hello and welcome to the Kickstart Your Running project in 21 days, day 2. Today's session is all about focus. Focus is probably the most important tool in your mental skills toolkit, yet it's one that very often gets overlooked, which makes it really difficult for us to learn how to focus really clearly and powerfully on one thing at one time for a long time. And as runners, learning how to focus powerfully and clearly for like the duration of our run, for example, is a really key task. Our friend and colleague Melody Fairchild shared a really good example of the technique that she used to focus in between her 2 back-to-back national cross-country titles. She imagined herself using a laser as her focus. Now, a laser, as you can imagine, is really pinpoint accuracy, really sharp, really focused, and it's something that she used with great effect to win 2 national cross-country titles. So your activity today is to think about your focus in the same way that Melody thought about her focus for her national cross-country titles. You can use either the same image as a laser, or maybe use something else if you want to. Part of the beauty about using something like a laser is that you can literally imagine switching your laser on, and you switch from being not completely focused to being completely focused. So that's your activity today. So, as with yesterday's activity, then we're going to start by getting relaxed. So make sure you're in a situation where you know you're not going to be disturbed. Maybe turn your phone ringer off, just in case you have that on already, and just get yourself settled into a sofa or a chair or a place on the floor. And then once you're comfortable, once you're ready, we'll start again by taking 3 big deep breaths. 1. 2. 3. And now start to focus on your breathing, and also allow your eyes to gently close, and just feel your body sink into the chair or the sofa or the floor underneath you. And then focus on your breathing. Count each in-breath as 1, each out-breath as 1, and count up to 10, and then start over again. And run through those counts 4 or 5 times. So now bring into your imagination a key task or goal that you have ahead of you. And what I'd like you to do next is to just bring into your imagination, think about that key task or goal. And then I'd like you to think of putting your focus on it in the same way that Melody did about her laser for her cross-country titles. So just think about literally turning on your focus and honing it so it's pinpoint accurate. Nothing is going to deviate the focus, your focus, from this key task or goal. Think of your key task or a goal as a target, and literally move your focus, your laser, whatever it is that you're thinking of, move that to the center of the target. So you're literally hitting the bullseye of exactly what it is that you want to achieve. If you're thinking of a laser yourself, then maybe play with the color of the laser and see what impact that has on your ability to focus and your ability to see clearly your target at hand. Take a few minutes just to experience how this feels and to actually play through the process of learning how to focus really clearly and powerfully in your mind. And then bring yourself back to the present and just focus on your breathing again. And then take 3 big deep breaths again. And then whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. And again, take a nice stretch and just open up your body again. And as with day one, then now is the best time to write down any experiences or thoughts, emotions, anything that came up for you while you were thinking through this session on focus. Really hope you enjoyed this today's session, and look forward to seeing you for day 3.